Friday, YouTubers. Here we go again. It is Thursday. Hope everyone had a good week so far. Everybody is safe. We have another big old box, Amazon style. You guys can check them out. Link will be down below, where you can take advantage of the Amazon Prime's fast and free shipping, and you'll get this in no time. We're gonna see. It's a big old box, so what's inside might be had to do two separate videos. So let me take this away for a second and let's get inside this thing. It feels like there's two packages. I just can't believe how fast this month went by already. We got Halloween next week and then Turkey Day in another month. Pretty soon Santa Claus will be coming, so you guys might want to add this to your wish list also. You never know. Oh boy. What is this? Relaxation. Oh, sweet. Oh, this is good stuff right here. Especially if you guys travel a lot. And do a lot of physical labor. You know, always sore, standing on relaxed time. When you do your Netflix and chill or your Hulu, this is perfect for it. Ohuhu neck massager, relaxation anywhere, anytime. Oh yeah, this is gonna be cool. Like I said, these are really nice to have, easy to carry, travel with. Take it to your office, on the way home from work, middle of traffic, rush hour. Pop this thing in. Oh yeah. Pull this out. Let's see what else is inside. We got the manual and the power cable. And that's it for that box. So I'll leave the links down below. You guys can order one. There we go. And masseuse. Your own private masseuse. These things are nice, though. They're really nice to have. I want to get yourself one. If you don't know what to buy somebody, that's pretty hard to get gifts for. This would be a perfect thing to get. We got the side controls right there. The heat, power, and the different waves you could do, and you could do recycle, heat. So this is actually really nice made, not like the other ones. You put some time and effort in this. Got a zipper right there too. You put your hands through this hoop. I kind of could show you, but it's kind of hard to do it. And we go. We got the like this, kind of like that. See where this part is right here? That's where you put your hands through it and just like sit in your chair and relax. So all you gamers out there, your long nights on Twitch and Mixer, this is perfect for it. Let's see, got this front right here, kind of looks like a car seat. If you kind of look at it like this, kind of looks like a car seat. But let me tell you, this thing is nice. I'm going to plug it in, and I'll be right back. Alright, here's a quick front part right here. This is how you want to have it, like a sling. You can use one hand or two hands, like that. Kind of like that. And then the controls are right here. Oh yeah, there's the heat. Oh, there's reverse. The heat's right there. And I'm going to flip you guys over to the other side. Oh yeah, it's working.